Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: device, connection, and an account. Once done, install the recommended browser extension and enable sync so files persist. You should set up a secure password manager now and grant necessary permissions. This avoids interruptions later. Make sure your connection is stable and that you have at least 2 GB free for caches. Begin the acquisition routine immediately so you maintain momentum and avoid losing session tokens. You now perform the core steps. Locate the Cyberspace Chomik using targeted queries, then add it to your transfer queue through the extension. While transfers run, monitor the app for errors and allow resumable downloads if needed. Verify integrity by comparing checksums or previewing content. This prevents corrupted copies. If a transfer stalls, clear temporary cache and restart the task. Retries often resume where it left off. Keep an eye on storage quotas as you proceed. You finish by moving the acquired Chomik into organized folders and triggering a final sync so everything is backed up. Once done, enable automated backups and schedule a daily sync to prevent drift. Make sure file permissions are correct and that your manager stores credentials securely. If something goes wrong, first clear the extension cache, then re-authenticate the account, and finally check permission settings. Most issues resolve after those 3 steps. Keep a manual backup copy as insurance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.